Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by locating the official public test server announcement on the developer or publisher site. Look for a page that explicitly names the public test server and lists the patch version, for example 1, 4 or higher. Check the region and times, usually specified in UTC, and a region label such as EU or NA, so you know availability windows. Finally, download the dedicated test client if provided, or opt into the test branch using the platform client like Steam. Follow any required NDA or forum registration steps. Before joining, create or link the account required by the public test server and enable two-factor authentication if the service mandates it. Developers often require verified accounts. Back up your live account settings and save any configuration files, then install the dedicated test client into a separate folder to avoid overriding the live client. Set client launch options as instructed, adding command line flags such as test server or specifying a port like port 5555, and adjust firewall. When the test window opens, log into the test client and follow any server selection steps for EU, NA, or specific shards. Reproduce issues methodically, collect logs and crash dumps, and note exact steps, timestamps, and your system specs. Include the patch identifier such as version 1, 4 or higher so developers can correlate changes. Finally, follow the official bug submission template. Attach logs, screenshots, and video if possible. Submit to the bug tracker or forum thread, and monitor developer responses for follow-up requests.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.